Hi, I'm Kenny Kuo from DFI Tech, and we are located in Sacramento, California. For the show, we are all about hardware. So we are about providing solutions, and if you can dream it, we can build it for you. So in this situation, we actually partnered with MediaTile, and for them we built the Human Kiosk. It's a countertop unit. It's small. You can interact with it. The unique thing about this is it actually has cameras in which you can interact with basically an expert. So the whole idea behind this is using their video presence software. If you need to talk to somebody, if you're in a situation where maybe you need some more information, more than what you can grab from traditional signage, this will take it to the next level and actually allow you to interact with a person. Now, unfortunately for this show, it requires a bit of connectivity which we don't have available to us, so I'm not able to show that to you, but you can get an idea of what its capabilities are. Here we've got two cameras. One is actually to see the person it's interacting with, and the second one is actually for video analytics. So that's something that this unit is capable of. And the whole idea behind video analytics is that you can recognize who your audience is, whether they be male or female, or possibly what age range that you're trying to target. Since we're not actually showing video presence for this, we actually have another product of MediaTile, which is their QR code generator. So it's an interactive map of actually Detroit. This was basically done for another show, but we're showing it here. And with this, you can actually touch points of interest. And actually, let me see here. Well, the idea behind this is that you touch points of interest, and it'll tell you some information about that location, and you can actually you can mark it as a favorite. And once you've done that, it'll generate, like dynamically on the spot, it'll generate a QR code for you. So the great thing about that is you can scan it then with your phone, take it with you, and the information will be available at your fingertips. And in some situations, for a larger display, we actually also partnered with them to create a floor standing unit. This could be in a lobby somewhere. It's very easy to work with. It's very recognizable. So we wanted to create something that people would just want to walk up to and interact with. So same idea. This is the Human Kiosk. And here we have a concierge application. It's just an example of what is capable, of what we can do with this. So as you see here, there's all sorts of information available at your fingertips. If you want directions somewhere, that's available. If you perhaps want to try to figure out where you want to eat, so you can also make reservations. Ultimately, though, if you decide that you need just the next level of interaction, then you can talk with a person, and that's where you would talk to the personal assistant. So again, unfortunately, I can't show it to you, but the idea here is you would touch this, and maybe an attendant or someone would be there, and you'd be able to talk with them. They could look up your information. They could book travel or restaurants for you. And again, when it came to the design, we really thought it out. So over here, you'll actually see 3 locations for cameras. This is just for the person to, just a normal person to interact with. Over here, we have a camera for actually ADA compliance. So, if you're in a wheelchair, the camera will still be able to see you. And then lastly, again, we have video analytics up here. So that's the Human Kiosk.